well. D-A-E getting propelled, getting money, money, money. Bad girls do it well. Yeah, yeah. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. All my ladies go. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Kung hindi mo committed, baka di ka planet shit. Oh, I'm twinning with my twinning, and I'm in it. Well, he winning, wag kang kasi gawin na mainit. Ayaw namin kapag basic, we expensive, elevated. Naiirin up the beat. Alam mo naman na na-ayot that bitch. Alam mo naman kapag ako bitch-bit. Dama-dala mo kayo pinaka-obis. If you want beef, we lang please. Ba't ako papato kapag makilipis? Pero sa madapasok mga got lang shit. Hot girl, lang masyadong interesting. Kasi alleged, may kikwento na sa Quincy and Alice beating the track or that best link. Cause we gon' school you how to pop it like a my trap hoe. But since it's been slow, di mo mapapari sa Filipino king slow. We not them you and we not juicy, get that peso. A to Z, I'm a bet no bet no man more. Bad girls do it well. Getting money, 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 that is bad girls do it well. D-A-E getting propelled. Getting money, 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 that is his bitch. Drop it, drop it, drop it. All my ladies go. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Yeah. What is up, Kaya Tunes? You be fair. Magandang gabi. Ako nga po pala si Zay. Z to the A to the E. Manood sa palabas. Ako lang to. Main rap chick sa Pinas. Baddest in the game, malamang malakas. Yeah. Ngayon, bago ko po umpisahan yung susunod ko na kanta, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa UP, sa mga student organization na nag-tulong-tulong para sa pagsasalo natin ngayong gabi. At, ay nga po, thank you guys for having me. Sa mga di pa nakakilala sa akin, ako nga pala si Zay. Balita, may naririnig ako kaninang chant. Alam nyo guys, balita ko marami daw akong hater sa internet. Bashers, bashers. Charot lang, pero isa lang masasabi ko tungkol doon. Sorry honey, but I don't give a fuck. Kung ayaw mo sa akin, everybody, this is Eddie Y. No, it's about to be lit and you're gonna feel the hit. You see that D-A-E and shit. Pero nagpupumili kumikit kasi kaya kumitil ng beat. Dami na inggit na aning, giniit na. Dito ako lit-ek, gusto ko sa'kin pero gusto ko mabit. Like sabi bumait, nadama yung magubit na dati mo minaliit. This bitch in town, she that bitch, she got that. Alam mo nang gagawin ko pag nakita bow down. Sorry honey, but I don't give a fuck. Kung ayaw mo sa akin, you keep lurking, lurking. I stay high, I'll be popping, popping. And you can play it with what I write. I'm your dummy like that's more on my hands. Put your name, not just my wait. You ain't no worthy opponent. I don't even know your name. How you think I'm beefing? You not even in the game. Bakit na? Totoo ka na naman, hindi ba ayaw mo sa'kin? Bawat dala ko at saka parang sa'yo. Ulitin mo ko, bakit di mo na lang aminin? Huminis ka eto bago para kay galitin. Well hala, akala niya talaga may napatunayan siya. Kapag siya'y nagbibida, say what? Sorry honey, but I don't give a fuck. Kung ayaw mo sa akin, Eddie Y. You keep lurking, lurking. I stay high, I'll be popping, popping. And you not. Some deep truth. you a fan or worshiper. Here's some dumb bitch truth. Eddie Rock, Eddie Rock. Eddie Rock. Yeah. Zay. That was Eddie Rock, everybody. Okay ba kayo dyan? Yeah. Kung nagustuhan nyo yun, check it out, guys. Kung ayaw nyo, eh di ba? Anyway, para sa susunod kong pong kanta, bago ko umpisahan, thank you nga pala ulit. Thank you po, UP Fair, for having me. And, ayun nga guys, isa tong selebrasyon ng OPM. At isa rin tong protesta para sa ating mga maralitang kapatid at mga Palestino. So, lahat po na nandito na dumalo, palakpakan natin lahat ang isa't isa. Pag tinuto ko sa inyo yung mic, sabihin nyo, ah! Parang kumain na tayong lahat. In 3, 2, 1, say... Eat it up, eat it up, eat it up, like it's so wet, kitty cat. Serve it up, serve it up, serve it up, then make him eat it up like... Lamona, pag si Zay ang bumira. Ballin', hit that, pruh, pruh. This is serve everybody. Yeah. Say what? Say. Eat it up, eat it up, eat it up like it's so wet, kitty cat. Serve it up, serve it up, serve it up, then make him eat it up like... Lamona, pag si Zay ang bumira. Ballin', hit that, pruh, pruh. Eat it up, eat it up, eat it up like it's so wet, kitty cat. Serve it up, serve it up, serve it up, then make him eat it up like... Lamona, pag si Zay ang bumira. Ballin', hit that shit like... It ain't a mystery, you mad? Nah, this ain't the physical. Saying low because you know you don't belong. Your cover blown, no, cause it's showing that you is a crazy clone. So what you tone can overthrow, I own the queensy throne. Don't compare me to this trash, do some segregation. Unlike him, I don't need a man to put me into my position. I'm the Filipino Malito representation. I'm no, I am the queensy of the nation. I be surfing, casting, I'ma surf some ass. And I'ma surf on sass, and I'ma get my cash. That's how boss bitches do. Alam mo na ngayon, pag kami ang nagluto say, what? Eat it up, eat it up, eat it up like it's so wet, kitty cat. Serve it up, serve it up, serve it up, then make him eat it up like... Lamona, pag si Zay ang bumira. Ballin', hit that, eat it up, eat it up, eat it up like it's so wet, kitty cat. Serve it up, serve it up, serve it up, then make him eat it up like... Lamona, pag si Zay ang bumira. Ballin', hit that shit like... So malakas na palakpakan naman dyan, UP Fair! Yeah! So, neto nakaraan, guys, nainis ako. May nang aaway sa akin. Hindi siya sobrang Latina, sobrang nakakainis. Charot. Anyway, pero ito, kaya ko nasulat ang sunod na kanta dahil sa sobrang inis ko. Subo mo to!
Kung hindi mo ka-ingest ako ang reyna in the mic, hindi ako sumasabak at alam may bacon.
Mga haters na kapag kaharap ay anghel ang roleplay.
Pula, ikaw si Magel.
Mga nagsabi ang wannabe,
Tabi
naman sa'kin when I'm popping shit. Hindi binaga at pupili na kumes ass. Pagkako si Miss Cash, asan na yung big bag? Alay mo sa big bag. Lamang ka sa akin sa food chain.
Laro ng mga boss
Ang aking game line.
Lord, Pagtubarin mo ako sa aking gagawing road. I'm
Ito
a freak, freak, freak. Kahit na walang record.
Like a little bitch, bababa ko na yung panty ko. Gusto mo nang ikaw wala na.
Pagka-arrogante mo.
Puro kasi tashi, kasi ain't shit ba na. Di ako si Monica, laro di ko minimekaniko. Main rap chicks sa Pinas, baddest in the game, malamang malakas. Hot girl, kaya mabilis lumabas paglabas ng mga shows.
Shake mga ass.
What?
No.
What? Muting kong galit is fake, si bitches won't. Hindi porket na basic ka dapat lahat ganon. Para kang nawawalan ka, nakakaroon. Huwag kang masulit sa wet, hindi ka pa nagkakaroon. Hey boy, like a dito, ikaw ka dito sa head.
Sinaktan ka ng babae, kaya asta panginig.
Dito beat, huh? Pero pang bitch lang yung dating. Trabaho mo kumuda, ito ay above 10. Kaya subo mo to, subo mo to, subo mo to, subo mo to. What? Yeah, subo mo to, subo mo to, subo mo to. Alam mo ba, para sa mga boss ass chicks, di ka player or heartbreaker, you a hoe ass bitch. All talk, motherfucker, you think you so slick. Now boy, you not so weak, bad boy, now you ain't shit. Teka, likin dito, ate shady, sobrang gabi, tsaka pero paka-ate, babag ganyan lang skate. Ang kulit, 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 Bago natin kapag nagsulat mo kapusin. I'm a Disney princess, di ma-diss ng princess. I will break your kisses on my ass, ang chismis, di mo daw ako trip. Pero tawag sa'kin idol, habang gaya ko sinusunod at basang-basa, di ka basang-basa, ka na gustong-gusto mo sa akin makaisa. Walit
Hindi ko pagkakap na hindi ko alam.
Tara dinig ko na sigurado kung bakalaw. Subo mo to, subo mo to, subo mo to, subo mo to. What? 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 Subo mo to, subo mo to, subo mo to, subo mo to. Subo mo to, subo mo to, subo mo to, subo mo to, subo mo to. Bitch, subo mo to, subo mo to, subo mo to, subo mo to. What? You scared? You scared? Stop acting like a bitch. You scared? You scared? You scared? Stop acting like a bitch. You scared? What? Shout out to DJ Luna. Shout out to my girl Erin. To my clothes. Yeah, maraming salamat UP Fair. That was Subo Mo To. Now, bago ko kayo iwanan ngayong gabi, dahil marami pang mga susunod na malulupit na artist, isang malakas na palakpakan para sa OPM Hip Hop! Sana magustuhan nyo. This is Carmen. That was Carmen! Yo, 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 yo!